Can you throw a piece? Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it out the window. There you go. They'll come get it when we're gone. What'd you do?
Ducks and pigeons.
Ducks and what?
Ducks and pigeons.
Chickens. They're geese.
Geese.
Ducks and geese.
Ducks and geese.
What'd you do? What'd you give them?
Pigeons.
You feed them some bread?
And then
Yeah? Where's the little yellow one?
everything.
Where's he at?
Everything.
Yeah.